Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the motion tracking feature in CapCut PC. Alright, so you can use the motion tracking feature to track the object, to tracking the object. For example, I'm going to select the video to the track with the moving object, and I'm going to go to tracking, and then select motion tracking. But before I'm going to add text, default text is for the duration, and this I'm like just type that and adjust for the font size and then font color, and I put on the object that I want to track. Alright, um in the text you can go to tracking and then select motion tracking. For direction, just select but and then turn on the scale up and then distance, and select the object you want to track like this, and then click start. Just wait for applying this function. It takes a long time according to the version of the video. You can make it shorter to be faster for the processing. And you can see the text follow the object. That's the motion tracking function. Uh, it's for tracking the object. Here we go. And you can see this is the final result. The text follow the object. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for